In this video, we will talk about how to make changes to a task status. The first button allows a user to quickly self-assign and mark the task completed if there is no further work to be done. The Hold button allows users to pull the task from the normal workflow and place it into a hold status. This process alerts your team that the task cannot proceed by changing the status color to orange and asking for a comment as to why the hold status has been initiated. Holds can be removed by pressing the play icon and creating a comment. Holds can also be released by creating a new comment. If you do not wish to remove the hold, toggle the slider button at the bottom of the comment window to continue holding. Responding to a comment notification email will also create a new comment that releases the hold and returns the task to in progress status. Canceling a task allows users to remove the task from the workspace queue while maintaining all the details within. Canceling a task also requires a comment on why the cancellation has been initiated. Tasks will remain in the main tasks grid in a canceled status and can also be quickly reopened. You can quickly assign a task to yourself using the Assign to Me button. You can also assign the task to another user using the Assign button. Clicking the icon brings up a modal window that allows for selection from a list of users and teams in the workspace. Deleting a task permanently removes the task and all of its task forms and communication details from the workspace. The user will be required to enter the word delete in all lowercase to proceed with the deletion. The secondary object entries such as media logs, volumes, billing entries, and attachments will maintain their association with the project and thereby the associated matter and client, and are not lost. For more information about working in Agility Blue, check out our other videos at sadiebluesoftware.com or the Agility Blue help documentation.